is important because my English is very bad. Don't laugh. Good morning to all. Sabal Ker. Dzień dobry. Dzień dobry. Dobar dan, dobar din, and thou shang hag. E poi non ne so più. E stop. Welcome to Italy. Welcome to Bologna. Welcome to the meeting of B&B Dental, where we can see the past result and we can see the future project. About the past result, 17 lecture and 17 speakers are ready to share with 400 participants from 30 nations. Si sente bene? No. Yeah, okay. And B&B Dental. And B&B Dental is ready to listen the feedback and to listen their advice and tips. I don't have a pleasure to know everyone. For this reason, I present myself. I am Dr. Banzi. I am a dentist like you. And I am a scientific director and the founder of B&B Dental in 1991. The aim of this initially was... C'è qualcosa? Vai avanti tu con questo. No? No, no, no. I am the dentist like you, and the aim of the company initially was to create instrument and device that help me in my job in the clinic. We started with implant in 1991 with external connection, and in the time we increased the instrument with instrument for sinus lift, with material for bone regeneration, with... Ma funziona questo? Ok. Perché questo non va? Ah, ok. Give me the... Okay. And we start with internal connection. Until 2005, we change everything because we have a problem for stability of the abutment. And we introduce a new design, a new implant, external implant, and internal implant, Conomor's connection. Very important connection to obtain the stability, very high stability of the abutment, and therefore of the prosthesis. Posso andare avanti, no? We are here also to visit our facility. Siamo un po' avanti. We are also here to visit our facility and to inaugurate our new facility where we hope we increase the production in order to satisfy our dealer. The video shows the manufacturing of the implant when we start with the design by expert engineer until the mechanical manufacture, and during the manufacture, the controlling process of the measure. And to finish, the clean by the oil and the measure at the finish of everything, of the every implant. Okay, thank you. Every implant, internally and externally, in order you have very high quality in our system. After that, the second phase is to treat the surface of the implant, and the transformation of the implant is medical device. And this we can obtain with the treatment of the surface, with double acidification and plasma treatment of the surface, the package, and the final sterilization with the gamma rays. Okay, before to leave the word to Ele, I want to thank all the participants. I want to thank the speaker. I want to thank the dealer. And I want to thank my family, my children, Simone, Angelo, Marcella, and in a special way, my wife, because Anna supported me for a long time. Thank you very much.